guys, Khalida Vids here, and today we've got the Phaewo Wings X3 electric skateboard. It's got a 2.2 amp hour battery, it's got electric regenerative braking, and it's got two selectable speeds, slow and fast, beginner and advanced, and 40-meter 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi option. We'll get more to that in a sec. This is coming on Amazon and on the Phaewo website. Be sure to check it out. So first we've got the main board itself. Let's lift this up and put it to the side. Surprisingly, it isn't too heavy. But inside we've got a little box. Oh yeah, and we got one of his little warranty cards. Pretty nice by Phaewo. Okay, that's it for the unboxing so far. So you got a little warranty card. Nice hard card, I like that. Thank you for your purchase. And if you send them an email, you'll get an extra 3 months warranty. So in case you break down or damage your product, they'll help you get a free replacement or help you get it repaired. So we've got this little box. Let's quickly open this up. And here we've got all our accessories it comes with. So we've got a European adapter plug. We've got a UK British plug. We've got a little tool, probably to do something with the skateboard, maybe to replace the wheels or change the wheels. Here's our adapter, a 2-pin adapter or charging brick. Here we have a micro USB cable. And that's probably to charge this. A little controller that's used to control the skateboard. And here we've got our quick start guide. Flick through it. Charge port. Yeah, if you're beginner, it's recommended that you wear appropriate safe gear like elbow pads, knee pads, a helmet. And be sure to stay tuned for our review video coming up. Links will be in the description. Let's plug it, file it to the side. And now we have the main dough itself. We've got the Phaewo Wings X3. We've got a really nice grip tape so we don't fall off this, especially as we travel at high speed, about 10 miles per hour. We've got really big wheels to stop us from falling off and gives us a lot of stability. Easy to turn, a lot of control. Got a little handle just to carry it like that. Turn it over. Here's our battery pack. And there's only one single wire connecting it. Overall, it's a pretty clean finish. One more thing. Here's its charging port. Just right here, we can just plug it in and charge it up about 1.5 hours. And we're all gone. We're all good to go. This is Khalida Vids. Links are in the description. Be sure to check out the review video coming out soon. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. You can purchase this skateboard on Amazon. And peace, guys. I'm a stylish guy. I'm a